y'all? Your girl is finally back with another video, and yes, I know it's been a minute. Just working school, y'all. Like, if you know, you know, because it gets real, okay? But look, I actually made this video like at the least a month ago, but just didn't have time to do anything with it until today. And yeah, so I hope y'all enjoy. And if you want to see how I made this closure unit wig right here on my head that I threw on for the sake of this video, stay tuned and we're gonna get right into it. Okay, y'all, so I already went ahead and pinned down the closure, and I'm just sewing that down now. And whenever I do sew frontals or closures, I start in the middle, and then I work my way to one side, and then I'll go back to the middle and sew down to the other side. So that's what you see me doing here. So now that my closure is sewn all the way down, I'm going to go ahead and start sewing the tracks in. I just take a track and I go straight across the bottom of the band on the wig cap. And when I first start my tracks off, I do stick the needle through the weft, but after that, I'll just be going under the weft. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a little bit. I am doing the fold over method. You just want to keep going straight across the wig cap as you keep sewing. Here's just a closer look at what I'm doing when I'm sewing. By the way, I do double up on my tracks for my first 2 bundles of hair, and then on my last bundle I just do a single layer. I just feel like this gives you a fuller look, allows you to fit all the hair in, and I like full hair, so yeah. I do start cutting my tracks when I get to the top. And here's just a closer look at me actually going through the weft when I'm first starting off a track on the wig cap. As you keep sewing straight across, at some point you will notice a natural U shape starting to form, and you just want to make sure that you're following that U shape as you keep sewing in the tracks. Alright y'all, so this is how the wig came out when it was all done. I did go ahead and bleach the knots to the closure off camera, and I'll probably just make a video of my process and how I do that in a later video. But yeah, anyways, thank y'all for watching as always. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video.